Here are the latest price moves in crypto. Let's go ahead and start with the general crypto market. Here we can see everything is pretty sidelined once again. Right now, everyone is mostly focused on what's going to happen tomorrow for Wednesday. Why is Wednesday so important? Because the debt ceiling is going to be on the floor for the House to vote on whether or not to go ahead and raise it. And right now, people are pretty optimistic about this. There are some Republicans who are speaking out now, even though over the course of the weekend, just so you guys are aware, President Biden had met with Kevin McCarthy, who is the Speaker of the House. He is also a Republican. He is representative as the majority leader of their party, and it looked like they had come to a conclusion on a deal. Not everyone is happy about this, and we have to wait to see what takes place here. But even though there are some Republicans that are still upset with this, overall it sounds like this has a good chance of passing. And once we get past that, then the doors definitely open up for so much more opportunities with investing. There's a lot more reassurances for people out there. So we need to get past this. A lot of people have money set up on the side waiting to see how this plays out. And we are getting to a critical moment. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully we have good news for you guys, and hopefully things absolutely fly. And looking at this here, we can also see XRP is doing really good on the day. It is up 6.16%, or 5.91. That's weird. Just as I zoomed in, it changed on us there. But overall, looking really, really good. And some of these cryptos are just slightly down. So for example, Dogecoin down 0.71%. Shiba Inu says that it's down, but it's showing as 0%, so it's basically flatline there. And moving over here, we can see that over the course of the last couple days, we've had some key moves with Bitcoin. Bitcoin not only broke back into the channel here of the bottom line level of support, right around $26,700, held that ground. It then went up, smashed. I mean, it just smashed right through that $27,500 level, and then we see it testing right here on that 50 moving average. So what I have established for you guys, and I've been talking about in these previous videos here on the charts, as you can see, these are still very strong leading indicators of how Bitcoin is moving. So right now, where are we at? Right now, we're looking at major level resistance on that 50 moving average. We did have the previous day, it popped up above that. However, it did come back down, closed out below that day. So right now, we're kind of stuck between 27,500 and right around 28,200 range. And as we can see, that 50 moving average is going downwards. So as we move into the next day, there's a good chance that we have an opportunity to be able to cross over that. So I think that we very well could see Bitcoin go on a strong parabolic run. Just kind of zooming out here a tad bit, if I had to put an indicator somewhere around here, I mean, I'm mainly looking right around this space, which is going to be at the $30,000 price point. It's a nice round number. It's also referencing a couple key points historically here. In fact, let's see if I pull this out even more. Yeah, we're pretty close there over on April 10th, but not quite. So it's a pretty good reference point, $30,000 overall. If we smash above 28,200, of course, 29K is going to be a key level to watch what happens there. But this thing has an opportunity to make a run. Big obstacle, possible rejection would be right around $30,000 before it starts to see some pullback. That's my personal opinion on that. I would love to know what you guys think down in the comments below. And let's go ahead and move on to the next cryptocurrency. This is SafeMoon over on the Binance Smart Chain. It is down 0.48%. You have $101,000 in trading volume, $45,000 on the buy side versus $55,000 on the sell side. So a little bit more on the sell side. Did have a red day yesterday, a little bit more of a red day for today. SafeMoon over on Polygon continues to see a decline. It's down 1.16%. It's $382 on buy side versus $467 on the sell side. SafeMoon on Ethereum, second day in a row of it being on decline as well. This one hurting quite a bit when you look at it from where the investing dollars are coming from. This is actually $20,000 all on the sell side. It's only 2 transactions, but it was $20,000. but it's only down 1.1%. Still, though, $20,000 is quite a bit given what we see going on here on volume. Evergrow coin, this one is down 2.98%, $617 in trading volume. You have $131 on the buy side versus $486 on the sell side. Blockbuster Tech, after a series of days running up, it is cooling down just a little bit here on the day. So looking quite good for the last 5 days, but today down 2.08%, $4,100 on the buy side versus $4,900 on the sell side. So pretty close to being even, but just a little bit more on the sell pressure side. For Beefy, this is actually a second day in a row of it showing as green. However, for May 30th, there's no trading activity showing having taken place. For BNB Mirror Protocol, second day in a row of it dropping down, low volume. We're only talking $210 here. It's 8 transactions, all of them on the sell side though. Somehow it's up 0.14% compared to 24 hours ago, which is very weird. Bitcoin Mirror Protocol, same thing. It's somehow up 0.17%, even though every transaction was on the sell side. $46 total, 7 transactions, very, very low volume. Speaking of low volume, Croge has no volume, no trading activity for May 30th. For Crift, this one here is up on the day 0.48%, $41, 2 transactions, both of them on the buy side. It's now on its 3rd day in a row of being in green. Glow Token still feeling some pain. This is down 0.36%. It's down 2 days in a row. You have $86 on the buy side, $189 on the sell side. Grove Token is still on its upwards trajectory. We can see a little bit of an increase here on the volume side. Now looking at 5 days of green candles, 0.32% up on the day. We have $17,000 on the buy side, $17,000 on the sell side. So quite a bit neutral. And for HOD, second day in a row of a decline. This is down 0.98%. It's $178, 2 transactions total, both of them on the sell side. Live Crypto Party is seeing its 3rd day of green candles, but no trading activity actually since May 30th. Since May 29th, no trading activity on May 30th is what I meant. For Potherium, we don't have any trading activity for May 30th either. And for Rhythm, still no trading activity there since April 18th. Revoltants, they're in what looks to be the final stages of trying to get this back up and tradable. They did pause their trading, as I've mentioned in the past. There's a transfer of ownership taking place, so we're waiting to see what happens there. But this is looking to go back live possibly any day now. And for Pepe, this one having a bit of a hit, down 0.1%, $3,100 in selling pressure, 2 transactions total, no buying. For JP token, this is the 2nd day in a row of it dropping down. It's down 10.11%. You have $1,300 on the buy side versus $1,800 on the sell side. And it is at its historic lowest point right now in regards to the SafeMoon SWAP. Those are the latest price moves for crypto. If you want to learn how to pay for your real world bills, such as your credit card using cryptocurrency, you can check out the video down in the description below for Spritz Finance. And if you use my referral, you get a little bonus for one of your future bill payments. It's very fast, convenient, easy. I did it myself. You can see me do it inside the video there. Look at that. Look how much my beard has grown, by the way. Just on like a little side note for you guys. Anybody that's still watching up to this point in the video. Look at that. There's nothing basically. And boom. Look at that. I've never grown my beard out this long before. So I'm kind of just doing it to the point where I can take a photo at some point here. I'm trying to see if it'll fill in a little more on the sides, just so I know officially what I look like with a beard. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Or maybe don't let me know in the comments. I don't know. I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.